hate that. You know what I mean? That ain't for me. Because the thing about working every day is that they want you to work every day. I can have a job, it's like, all right, Dave, we'll see you tomorrow. I'm like, tomorrow? We just did this shit today. Let's take a day off.
Really?
Think about what we accomplished. All we got to do all the working in one day. When we get paid? Friday? Maybe I'll be back on Friday. Just working all the time. You know what I'm saying? Coming over. I don't like the office life either. I don't like the fact that you gotta act like you like the people you work with. That's what I don't like. I don't like you, you don't like me. At 5 o'clock, don't say shit to me. And you know you don't like the people you work with. You ever see them in the real world on the outside? You go through lists to avoid trying to talk to them. Like, oh, there's a penny on the count. Don't look at her. Don't look at her. Somebody see if she's still there. She's still there. That bitch is still there. I want to talk to you. I hate that damn office. It's so serious, too. That's the only place they make you buy somebody a Christmas gift. You ever have to do that? They put your name in a hat, and you pull it out, and they tell you don't get nothing over $20. Say, hell, you thought I was going to get it. Steve is getting a candle from the 99-cent store. Like, I was going to work with a flat screen. Stevie goes, Steve, we appreciate what you're doing in the account. No, that's you. Get them little candle and a scrub brush. I hate that damn office. They got all these little office things, too. They little things like that on the computer. They got a thing on there when you email. You know, you in the office world, you don't talk to each other. There ain't no talking in the office. You email. Don't talk to me. You say, good morning. Don't you talk to me, goddamn. You email me. We don't document this conversation. Good morning. And they got these little functions. They got a thing on there called the CC. When you email, you know what I'm talking about? That's carbon copy or something. That's when you ask somebody for something, they don't do it. Then you CC them and they boss. Now you tell it on the next.